Have you ever wondered how you can make money with AI? Today we delve into the top 20 prime methods to generate income with artificial intelligence. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines. This technology is a significant part of our world economy, transforming industries and creating new opportunities for income. If you're ready to discover these methods, then stick around as we count down from number 20. Starting off at number 20, attending AI conferences or meetups. This method is about immersing yourself in the AI community. It's a fantastic way to network, stay updated with the latest trends, and promote your services. It's all about making connections and positioning yourself as an expert in the field. At number 19, we have creating AI-powered art or music. AI isn't just about numbers and algorithms, it's also a creative tool. Artists and musicians can harness the power of AI to create unique pieces of art or music, which they can then sell online or through galleries and music stores. Number 18 is working as an AI engineer or data scientist. These are high-demand careers in tech companies or businesses utilizing AI. It's a direct way to generate a substantial income given the value these roles offer in today's AI-driven world. At 17, we find getting certified in AI. With an AI certification, you can demonstrate your expertise and gain a competitive edge. This could lead to profitable opportunities, whether it's a lucrative job offer or a higher rate for your consulting services. Number 16 is starting a YouTube channel or podcast about AI. In this digital age, sharing AI knowledge on platforms like YouTube or a podcast is a brilliant way to build an audience. As your platform grows, so too can your income, whether it's through ad revenue, sponsored content, or promoting your own AI services and courses. That's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's continue to number 15. Coming in at number 15, writing about AI for a blog or publication. As AI continues to transform our world, there's a growing demand for insightful content on the subject. By sharing your expertise through articles, blogs, ebooks, or white papers, you can meet this demand and earn income. Next, at number 14, we have consulting with businesses on how to use AI. As businesses strive to keep up with AI advancements, they often need guidance in selecting the right tools, implementing them effectively, and training their teams. By offering your services as an AI consultant, you can help these businesses navigate the AI landscape while generating income. Moving on to number 13, creating and selling AI-powered trading algorithms. The financial market is always looking for ways to maximize profits, and AI-driven trading algorithms offer an attractive solution. By developing and selling these algorithms, you can tap into this lucrative market. At number 12, we find creating and selling AI-powered productivity tools. From scheduling assistants to data analysis tools, AI can significantly boost productivity. Capitalize on this by developing AI tools that help individuals and businesses save time and increase efficiency. Finally, rounding off this segment at number 11 is creating and selling AI-powered games. The gaming industry is constantly evolving, and AI is the latest frontier. By developing games that utilize AI, you can enter this growing market and potentially hit the jackpot. We are halfway through our list, let's see what's next. At number 10, we have creating and selling AI-powered apps. The app market is growing exponentially, and when you infuse it with AI, the potential for profit is immense. Think about building apps that leverage AI to solve unique problems, or create engaging experiences for users. Next up, at number 9, consider starting your own AI business. If you have an innovative AI-powered idea, why not turn it into a business? Not only can you make a profit, but you could also make a positive impact on society. Coming in at number 8, consider contributing to open-source AI projects. It's a savvy way to hone your skills and make a name for yourself in the AI community. Plus, it's a great way to give back and make an impact in the world of AI. At number 7, we have participating in AI hackathons and competitions. These events are not only fun, but they can also be quite lucrative. They offer opportunities for exposure, prizes, networking, and even potential career opportunities. Finally, at number 6, consider freelancing as an AI developer or consultant. With the high demand for AI skills, businesses and organizations are always on the lookout for experts who can help them navigate this complex field. As we get closer to number 1, the methods become even more intriguing. Now we're entering the top 5 with investing in AI startups. This is a booming industry and a hotbed for innovation. At number 5, invest in AI startups. Invest in the booming AI industry by supporting innovative startups through venture capital or crowdfunding. Take advantage of the flourishing AI industry by strategically investing in promising startups, whether through conventional venture capital routes or by engaging in crowdfunding campaigns. Next up, at number 4, teach AI courses. Tap into the AI education demand by teaching courses at institutions or selling them online. As businesses increasingly embrace AI, they need experts to guide them. If you've got the skills, you can meet this demand and earn a significant income. Our third method is to provide AI consulting services. Offer AI consulting services to guide businesses in tool selection, implementation, and employee training. Deliver AI consulting services to assist businesses in the selection of tools, implementation processes, and employee training, providing valuable guidance in these areas. Number 2 on our list is develop AI-powered products and services. Sell AI-powered products, chatbots, recommendations, fraud detection, to meet the rising demand. By doing this, you not only get to improve your skills and make an impact on the AI field, but it can also significantly enhance your portfolio, making you more attractive to potential employers or clients. Finally, the number 1 method to create and sell AI-generated content. AI creates diverse content, text, images, videos, for sale in marketing, education, and entertainment. If you've got an AI-powered idea, why not turn it into a profit-making venture? You could make a positive impact and earn a significant income. And there you have it, the top 20 prime methods to generate income with AI. Let's recap our top 3 methods. First, you can create and sell AI-generated content, tapping into diverse markets like education, entertainment, and marketing. Second, developing AI-powered products and services can meet rising demand, offering solutions like chatbots and fraud detection. Finally, providing AI consulting services can guide businesses in tool selection, implementation, and employee training. These are just a few of the ways you can leverage artificial intelligence to generate income. So what are you waiting for? It's time to dive into the world of AI.